Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Libras, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Libras. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. And I also have a special fairy tale pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you have any doubts or confusions in your mind about your situation, you can watch that reading, guys. So that reading may answer your questions, guys. That reading will follow this general energy. So let's start with these cards here, Libras. We have the Hermit in reverse, Temperance in reverse, and Six of Pentacles. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Libras, maybe for some of you, you are maybe taking support or guidance from someone. It may be a verbal support, maybe they are suggesting you what you need to do, maybe giving you ideas. uh, it may be work related ideas or something in your personal life. You may be asking someone uh, who is really having that truthful intentions on you. So you are taking their suggestions today, guys, or maybe they are taking your suggestions today. And I also see that in your situation, guys, Libras, maybe for some of you, you are afraid of some things. That may be the reason you are taking these suggestions. You don't know how things are going to go, and you want to avoid some difficulties or some difficult situations. You are taking precautions, maybe, or you are very cautious. You are trying to avoid something, and you are asking people what you need to do to overcome that situation, or um to avoid that particular situation, or someone, maybe you are being too cautious, or you are taking too many precautions to avoid some kind of a bad situation, guys, in your it may be in your career, or again it may be in your personal life, this situation. And maybe the people you are with, it may be people from your work, or again it may be from your family, this person you love. Your interests are different, and you have what to say, difference of opinions in certain things. That again may be the reason for troubles in your situation, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are taking up some kind of belief, and this person does not like that. This person you love, they do not like the way you behave, or the way you are having that deep faith on something. So some stress or difficulties or arguments because of that, guys, Libras. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Eight of Wands. So in your relationship, I see that things are uh, gaining momentum. Maybe you are building that understanding between each other. Both of you love each other, and you are maybe planning to get engaged or get married, and this relationship is flourishing, guys. That is what I see, guys, with these cards. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Seven of Pentacles in reverse. So, with this card, it just means that you have successfully completed few things in your career. Maybe you have achieved certain things and you are waiting for uh, achieving even more. And maybe for some of you, you may find it really difficult because there are lots of obstacles you need to overcome in your work situation to make things go in the right way, guys, Libras. So that is the reading with these cards, Libras. If you want more clarity or if you are interested, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Libras. For your love reading, guys, today's pick a card. We have two cards here, and it is from the Fairy Tale Oracle. So, these cards may clarify your situation, give you some answers. So, you need to close your eyes, think about your situation for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, or the crystal. So this is your first card and this is your second card. You can either meditate thinking of these crystals or with the cards, and then you can choose the card which comes to you first as you open your eyes. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this card here. We will see what it is. It is Wounds, Verde Prato. That is the card for you all. It just means that for those who have chosen this card, maybe you are hiding something. Maybe you are hiding your true feelings for someone from the people close to you. So you have kept some secrets from them and they are trying to punish you or hurt you because you are holding something secretly close to your heart and you are not willing to reveal that. And maybe today the worst things have happened in your situation because you have held the secret for so long, and something has happened because of that. But today you can reveal your true feelings for this person and you can speak your mind. So that way you will not put your love or put your feelings to more danger. So there are people in your situation who are trying to control you, guys. They are here as your friend or a family member, but they are trying to control you, dominate you, dominate your decisions or dominate your actions. Because they are really irritated because you have not revealed what is there in your heart to them. So they feel really bad and they want to do something against you. They want to punish you or hurt you in return. But if you want your love to grow or flourish, you have to come out with your true feelings. You have to reveal what you feel about that person in truth, guys. So that way you will be true to your heart, and you need courage in your heart to do that, guys. That is what I see. So you need to face your fears. Maybe you are afraid that this person, maybe your friend or a family member, they may not have that acceptance for this love. But whatever it is, we have to face our fears. Whatever fears we have to face. We have to have that courage in your heart, in our hearts, to stand up for what we believe in and stand up for what we love. So, or for some of you, you are having a secret affair with someone and you are hiding it, maybe. So you need to bring it out, guys. That is the energy with this card. Tell the truth today. That is the energy with this card, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, the first card, let's see what is the second card. For those who have chosen this crystal and this card, it says fairy ointment, the sight. So the energy with this card is that maybe for some of you, you have some rare gifts. Maybe you have a great intuition guiding you every step of the way. And today, maybe in your circumstance, you are seeing some things and it is truthful to you. You know what will happen, or you know in that circumstance how things are going to go, or you have an idea how things will go, or it will take course. But you need to keep this gift silently, guys, because you should not reveal what you truly feel without people asking you, because it is best that way to give our suggestions only when someone is asking for it, guys. So you need to understand that, and you need to what to say, if you speak without that person asking you what it is, or they may not trust you, they may even feel what to say, irritated, because they may feel that you are saying things because you are jealous or envious towards them. That is the reason you are speaking few things, and they may not even trust your intuition. So if you are someone with some rare gifts, maybe intuition is something I am giving as an example, maybe you know, or for some of us, we may have a feeling that something bad, when something bad is about to happen, we may have some kind of a premonition. So when we have that, those kind of gifts, it is best that we keep it to ourselves instead of revealing it. We can suggest some things to help that person to avoid that circumstance, but we should not come out with the truth that we see things in such a way, or we fear that so and so may take place, and we should not tell our we should not talk openly about our gifts, guys. Maybe this may be your circumstance today, guys, so you need to be silent. If you have some intuition telling you some certain things, you need to be silent. And if it is with someone really close to you, you can just help them avoid that situation, guys, so that way it is not going to affect that person nor you. So that is the energy with this card. For those who have chosen this card, guys, thanks again, guys, for watching this video. If this video if this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.